There's a specific kind of peace that comes in a home where all the hard work has been done, where the focus lies not on your to-do list, but on enjoying the life you've built. I'm John Cooper, and I'm excited to show you 6353 Pinewood Lane here in North Nanaimo. Come with me. This is a quiet 21-unit community in North Nanaimo that strikes a really unique balance. You're within walking distance to the essentials at Costco and Woodgrove Mall, and just a short trip from the local beaches and trails. But because this home is tucked away behind a mature privacy hedge, the pace of the city seems to slow down the moment you pull in. The first thing you'll notice inside is how the light fills the space. Between the vaulted ceilings and the southern sun exposure, the home feels airy and bright, even on those gray island afternoons. It's been professionally painted throughout, which really highlights the thoughtful floor plan. You have a family room, a loft, and a private upstairs area. A layout that's incredibly popular because it creates these distinct domains. It's perfect for guests, a quiet home office, or even multi-generational living, where everyone still has their own sense of independence. The primary suite is a true retreat, situated to give you that extra bit of comfort and privacy. What I really appreciate about this home is the level of care put into the things you don't always see. The kitchen and all 3 bathrooms have been tastefully updated, and mechanical systems are top tier, including radiant in-floor heat. The owners installed a high-end hot water system that provides total reliability. There's a 4-foot crawl space, offering the kind of practical storage that's rare in a townhome. The strata here is exceptionally well managed, which means you can move in with the confidence that the building is being looked after properly. Outside, you've got a yard for a pet or a small garden, and enough parking for up to 4 cars between the garage and your driveway. It's a home designed for someone who values a steady, manageable routine and wants to move into their next chapter with confidence. To get your hands on a full information package that includes floor plans and all the other details, or to book yourself a private showing, you can reach out to me at johncooper.ca. I'm John Cooper with John Cooper & Associates eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.